Yeah. We will talk. We will talk that later inside the room. Maybe we can talk each other. Yeah. Hi. Hi, Ed. No, you can ask Edward. He is the head seller of...
That's why. For most of the Filipinos, they will loan in local bank. You know why? The local bank is
Are they
not
successful in taking a loan from a local bank? That's what I want to ask. Are they successful because of what they did?
Because of that, you know,
What they've done.
for a time,
Are
we
they
were bad.
successful? They were trying, but they were not able to get any loan because of what they've done.
You know,
Yeah, he has a point there. He has a point there.
any credit card?
Yeah.
Credit card, you know what? Credit card, all credit cards under insurance and break.
But still,
Share with you,
but guys, dito sa akin, nakaman ng Pilipinas are not,
Under insurance yan.
unless,
I know that.